Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can design this really cool iPhone design, I guess. So I'm just going to change the background here, and I'm just going to add a text box that says iPhone. Just going to make it a little bit bigger, and I am going to also change the font to Impact. You can use any fonts they have here as well, but I'm just going to use this one. Go to effects and select neon and adjust the intensity. I'm going to also change the color to white, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to just search for iPhone here, and I am going to use a photo. And I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to place it behind. Then I'm going to type in shadow in graphics, and I'm just going to use that. Fine, I guess I'll use this one. And I'm just going to place it here, like under the iPhone. I'm just going to adjust the opacity a little bit, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.